Hey, what you up to? I'm eating a leg of lamb. What does it look like I'm doing?
What happened to your hat?
Someone sat on it with their butt cheeks.
What's his problem? What's wrong with you? Hey, what's that noise? Hey, the refrigerator's making noise. You hear that? It's sizzling. Sounds like it's cooking bacon. You okay, little guy? Why are you making so much noise? That was hissing at me. What is that? That sizzling sound's making me hungry. Hey, Corbin, come over here. Hey man, get up. Check the refrigerator.
Oh no, you didn't. Hey, Knight, can you look up
What's going on, you guys?
sizzling? You look at it for me, man, please?
The Steel One Dave. We are at
Why, yes.
cemetery. Now this is
Just watching this delightful gentleman
This is a
on YouTube here. Yes, it's very intriguing. I have the website. Some guy is asking, is that normal when it's defrosting? Refrigerator sizzling sounds is what I typed in. This is common when the system goes into a defrost cycle. The heat element will get red hot, and when the ice starts melting and dripping on it. The heat element, yes, okay. I won't, okay. You will hear a sizzling sound. So yes, it's normal. I could have told you that, being the smartest one in the room, but there you go. I'd like to get back to my video now. Thank you.
I forget stuff when I'm hungry. What were we talking about?
You forgot. We were just having a conversation like 5 minutes ago. What do you mean you forgot? I knew there wasn't anything wrong with it, man. You woke me up. I was having such a good dream about having 1 million subscribers, and I came over here for nothing.
Guys want some ramen? I can show you how to make them ramen. Here, just watch the next video. This is Cabooses. Hey, keep laughing. Hey.
Okay. This is just B-roll and bloopers. Hi everybody. Thank you for watching this far. That's amazing. I love you. I'm eating leg. Take two.
Hey, what you up to?
I'm eating leg of lamb. Leg of lamb. What does it look like I'm doing? What does it look like?
What happened to your hat?
Someone sat on it with their butt cheeks. Sat on it with their butt cheeks.
Hey, what you up to? What happened to your hat?
Oh yes, it's normal. I could have told you that, being the smartest room. I could have told you that, being the smartest one in the room, but there you go. There you go.
Hey, Corbin. Hey man, get up, get up. Check the refreezer. I'm hungry.
Probably not gonna be able to show me reaching over like that. I have to just film it and then get up and check. Really, man? Really? Oh, no, you didn't.
Hey, guys want some ramen? Guys want some ramen? I can show you how to make them ramen. I can show you how to make them ramen. Just watch the next video. Just watch the next video. This is cabooses. This is cabooses. Hey, hey, hey.
Yeah. And that's a wrap on smooth. Yeah. Yeah.